Good day, Prof, Doctor, and everyone. I am Chong Ling from Section 1. I will continue to present 3.3. In the primitive data types, there are portable size types. The F in front of the number represents floating point. The number represents the bit. The U and I represents unsigned and signed. The F behind of the number represents fast, which brings faster code. So besides, multi-byte values are the values that are larger than 8 bits, which is 1 by byte. It stores data in little endian, which in reverse order, or big endian, which in order as shown in the diagram. The data types also can be swept through integer endian swapping or floating point endian swapping. In the kilobytes versus kibibytes, we usually use kilobyte to represent 1000, but the computer programmer usually use kibibyte to represent 1024. Next, .cpp file is called as transaction units, which is the smallest unit of transaction. It generates an object file, and the linker combines all to resolve external reference. As you can see in the diagram, the reference in full.cpp are used in bar.cpp and vice versa. So for declaration versus definition, it can have multiple identical declarations in a .cpp file, but it can have only one definition in a .cpp file. Declaration has no linkage, but definition has linkage to cross-reference the entity, such as external linkage, which is visible to all .cpp file. The keyword is public, and internal linkage, which is seen in that .cpp file only, which the keyword is private. So the first memory layout is executable image. Is divided into segments or sections, which are text segment, BSS segment, data segment, and read-only data segment. The second one is program stack. This is the stack frame, which is block of memory. So B will be pushed on top of A and will be popped out before A. So the third one is dynamic allocation heap. Heap memory allocates memory dynamically. So new and delay operators are used to allocate and free the block of memory. So in the member variables, C# or C++ class variables locates no memory, shown in the example. So later, it will be used in the function. So for the static keyword, it can be used in file or function scope, which is seen in that file only or function only. If it used in struct or class declaration, it is just like a global, but the visibility of the variables are controlled by private or protected or public, as shown in the diagram. That's all from me. Thank you.